Hi, I'm Imrul, a Monday consultant and CRM expert. I saw your job post and I'd like to show you how I implemented a similar solution for another client. Here's an example of how I set up an integrated work management and CRM system to streamline operations using Monday.com and Zapier. I built this system so that all leads generated from their website are automatically funneled into Monday CRM. As soon as someone fills out a form on the website, it gets recorded here in the lead stage. Thanks to Zapier, you can see these website leads coming in, where I set up a range of automations to handle each step. Once a new item is created, my system assigns a sales lead to it. As the lead progresses through various stages, additional automations trigger. For instance, when it moves to a proposal stage, automatic notifications and updates occur. I've also integrated DocuSign so all document signing happens seamlessly within this system. By the time a lead reaches the payment stage, a customer profile is created automatically in Stripe. This ensures every client's payment info is securely set up, making invoicing efficient and centralized. Clients can access their invoices on a dedicated platform. And once the status changes to closed, all details shift over to the account management stage, where they are managed from there. Alongside this CRM setup, I've built a series of activity dashboards to provide an overview of ongoing operations. This streamlined workflow allows the team to focus on client engagement without missing essential details. If you're interested in implementing Monday, Zapier, or similar workflow automations, I'd be glad to help you build a system that's both powerful and efficient. Thanks for watching.